Hello and warm welcome to another operator video. In that video we present how to using a multi-monitor system with the Management Center. In this case I have connected on my Mac 2 extended monitors. That means in totally I have 3 monitors available as monitors, and I have also configured one thin client in my system. That I can show you here on the left side. You see there's a thin client configured, and the functionality is very simple. Make a double click, for example, on the camera. Suddenly the monitor dialog will appear and shows me the available monitors. In this case I have 4 monitors, 3 external monitors plus the thin client. Click on one of these items, monitor items, and then the image, the stream will be displayed on that monitor. Of course you will see that right now because that it's monitor 3 where I make the recording for that video. But let us make another double click on the other camera, and then you see that monitor 2 is already in use, and there we're choosing monitor 1. The same happens in the background. It's appearing on my monitor wall, the camera stream on monitor 1. And we can also do that double click functionality on the group. It's not only limited on the cameras, it's also possible for camera groups. So let us do a double click on the camera group. And then we see also the monitor dialog, in this case only 3 monitors. And now I'm choosing the recording monitor, that you see what will happen also in that video when I make a double click. You can see the grid view will be appearing on that monitor. I can close that. Of course I need to go back to the main application of the Management Center and proceed here with the functionalities with the multi-monitor usage. So of course there is also the possibility not only to visualize the monitors, it's also to visualize the streams on the thin clients. And as you have seen, if I select in the camera with a double click, the thin client will appear in the monitor selection. As in the group view, the thin client will not appear. The reason behind that, it's very simple. A thin client can visualize a live stream of a camera, but can't visualize multiple live streams like a grid view. That is the reason why in the group view the thin client will be not appearing in the monitor selection. In general, the monitor selection, there's nothing what you need to set up in the Management Center. All monitors which are registered of your operating system, Windows or Mac in my case, will be used with the Management Center without any user settings in the Management Center in general. Yes, we can also using a double click on the map view, and here I make a double click on the map view on that group, and then also you can assign the map view to one of the extended monitors. I do here the same and using my recording screen to visualize that. Then you see the icons of the cameras. You can make a click on it and then the live view will appear, or you have also the possibility to make a mouse over and then the preview of that camera will appear. Such kind of functionalities you can also put on the monitor wall. There is also another view what you can visualize per double click on extended monitors, and that is the info page of a group. We do that here, double click and then selecting monitor 3, which is my recording monitor, where to place the info page. The info page contains useful information for the customers, and you can adjust that and put PDFs or HTML files as info pages in the Management Center group. If we do that, for example, on the live playback mode, let us do here simply double click and see what will happen. See, nothing will happen. The dialog, the monitor selection dialog will not appear. Also on the other things, I make a double click and only on the live stream, the monitor selection will appear. What is the reason behind? If you see here below, there are a lot of buttons in the main view of the Management Center. If I make a double click and then only the live stream will be appearing on the extended monitor, but not the buttons. That means, as a simple rule, all views which don't require a button in general can be displayed on the monitors, and views like the playback view, which requires the playback buttons, can't be displayed on an extended monitor. So don't worry, simply make a double click on it to see if it's the multi-monitor dialog will appear, and when it will not appear, then this function will not support it for monitor support. I hope you got a nice understanding and some ideas how to using multi-monitor functionality with the Management Center in your project, and have a nice day. Bye bye.